Hey everybody, it's Tanya with ScrappyChicks.com and your creative partner with Kiwi Lane. Today I wanted to bring you a quick project share. This is a great idea for a last minute Christmas gift. So what I'm going to show you today is this is a pair of socks with the little small OPI nail polish that you can get, I think from Ulta in a pack of 5. And so the socks came from Walmart. And so what the tag says is, hoping your mistletoe stay warm this season. Merry Christmas. This is just a great little fun gift for neighbors, friends, co-workers, and it's fairly inexpensive because the nail polish comes in a 5-pack. And then the socks actually come 2 pair for a little under $4 at Walmart. So I wanted to show you, I've put these together. My friend thought of this or saw this idea on Pinterest, and she wanted me to make some tags for her, and so I've got them all together, and I left one so I could do a quick tutorial to show you how fast and cute this comes together. Okay, so I've already pre-cut my pieces here, and what I'm using is the Expressions template base. That's the new Expressions template set. So I've already cut that out. I'm going to ink this edge here. So I'm going to get this inked up. And inking's always optional. Some people don't like the way the ink looks. I do, but it's completely optional. Then we're going to, I used the stocking template, which I think is called Traditions. I'm not exactly sure the number. All the templates I will have linked below. That way you won't have to guess what I use. I always link those below. I am using the new Gnomes. That's from the December 2020 Kiwi Club Kit set. So we're going to make a gnome stocking, and I did use the gnomes for that. And we're just going to ink this beard up just a little. I don't ink the beard up a lot. They're like, why? A lot of people are like, why are you inking a white beard? But it does add some definition to the beard to ink it just a little. Okay. So let's go ahead and put the little top of the stocking on. And I'm going to use my art glitter glue. You can also use whatever kind of adhesive that you have available. I just like art glitter glue because it dries so fast. Okay, so we're going to do our stocking. Then we're going to glue our beard on. Then we're going to add our nose. And how to get the nose. I've seen some questions in the Kiwi Lane community. How do you get the nose? You use the body. The foot on the gnome body gives you the nose. That's how you do that. You trace out the foot. We're going to put a little bit of glue on the hat here. And stick this on. And there's your gnome. Gnome in a stocking. Okay, let me wipe this excess glue off my mat here. Sorry about shaking the camera there. And then we're going to use some foam. You can either use foam squares or foam tape. I actually have a new pack of foam squares here. So we're going to use that. Because I want to pop. I want to pop him up just a little bit off of the tag. So we'll get our foam squares out. And let's see. So we want to do the body of the stocking and the beard, because everything else kind of hangs off the tag. So we'll just put a few of those on there. And again, this is a fast, inexpensive, last-minute gift. Super cute, super fun. All right, so we're going to put our stocking here. And then we're going to do our mistletoes printable here, which was free. I will have that link below as well. I just did a like a Google search to find that. So we'll put that on. Then I have this snowflake. These snowflake stickers came from Dollar General in a pack. So they may still have them at if you have a local Dollar General near you, they may have these in stock. So I just thought it added a little more dimension. So we'll put a snowflake there. And your tag is assembled. That easy. It goes that fast. Okay, so we've got our tag. So what I did was I took a piece of cardboard and I took some tissue paper. Any color tissue paper. I just had red and green on hand. So I took some tissue paper and covered that piece of cardboard. You can take wrapping paper and cover it, or you can take scrapbooking paper and cover it. But I wanted to give this, as you can see, I wanted to give this some more stability. So the socks and the nail polish aren't flopping around in there. So I wanted to give it some stability, and it's easier if you just add just a piece of scrap cardboard. If you don't have cardboard, but you have an old cereal box, then you can do that as well. And I forgot, let me glue this little jewel on his hat. I went to go get some pom-poms from the Dollar Tree, and my Dollar Tree was sold out of pom-poms. I like the little white pom-poms, or any color, to go on his hat, but I had some of these jewels. I'm like, you know what, I'll just put some bling on it and be done with it. So, all right, so once you've covered your cardboard with either wrapping paper, scrapbooking paper, or tissue paper, go ahead and get some twine. I know the Dollar Tree sells twine. This particular twine came from Hobby Lobby, and I got it on sale, 50% off. So you're just going to cut off a long piece of twine because you want enough to tie a bow. And I have to have longer twine to tie a bow. So I'm just going to try and bring this up and even my ends up. There we go. And try and put this in the middle. Okay, and then look at these cute socks. Look at Santa's face. His face is so sweet. So my friend picked out these socks, and I just love this Santa. He is so sweet. So we're going to do our Santa. We're going to put our little nail polish right in the middle. And then we're going to bring up the twine, and we're going to tie a knot. So the knot, see how I did that, holds the nail polish into place. That way the nail polish is not sliding around. So you're going to tie that knot tight. That way it holds the nail polish into place. And if it moves where the label doesn't show, if you want it to show, you can move it up top. So you tie your knot, and then you tie your bow. You can also use ribbon. If you don't have twine, you can use ribbon. But I just like the look of the twine because it really doesn't take away too much of the picture of the sock, because I want that to be my focal point. And then we're just going to put it in this cellophane bag. These we got at Walmart for 97 cents. So, or 98 cents. And it was a bag of 20. You can also get these at the Dollar Tree when they have them in stock. Okay, so for the cellophane, what we're going to do is we're going to take our tape runner and we're going to put a line of adhesive. And then we're going to seal this shut with that adhesive. That way it seals your bag shut. And then we're going to put another line of adhesive on the back of the bag and fold that over. You can also use score tape if you have that, but a tape runner works just as well. The back doesn't have to be super fancy, and I just like to kind of put these little edges. I like to glue these down as well. So you just glue the edges down, and again, that's the back, so they're not going to see that. That's not going to be a focal point. Okay, so now we're just going to attach our tag, and you're done. Easy peasy. And all I attach it with is I use a tape runner because they may want, the recipient may want to take this tag off. So you just put your tape runner up top and at the bottom. You can put it on the sides, but it's going to hang off. So just kind of be mindful of where you're putting your tape runner. I normally just do it in the middle. And that is plenty. If you have a good tape runner, it will hold it on. So we just kind of stick that on. And there we go. Super cute. And my socks, I probably got a little too high on here. I probably should have slid them down a little bit further. That way you can see some of Santa's face. And you can grab onto them and slide them down a little bit, but that's okay. So there's Santa. There's a snowman. Here's one that's just a pattern pair, polka dots. Super easy. These were fun to do. So thank you so much for joining in. I hope you enjoyed this quick little tutorial for a last minute Christmas gift. And I hope that everybody has a safe and a Merry Christmas. Thank you. Bye-bye.